Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Yes students, today we start the fourth lecture of science of class 1, chapter number 4. The name of chapter number 4 is kinds of animals. In this chapter we have to read about the types of the animals and where these animals live and how they live. First we focus on the types of the animals. How many types of the animals are there? You know that there are many kinds of the animals around us. They live in different places, eat different food and move differently. That is why they are of different shape and sizes. According to their shapes and sizes, animals are divided into different groups. The first group, you can see that big animals. Some animals are very big in size. You can see here the lion, giraffe, horse, elephant. They are big in size, but you can see they are also looking different from each other by their shape or by their size. The second group of animals are small animals. Some animals are small in size, like you can see cat, rabbit, dog, rat. These are animals, but they are small than these animals. The third group is very small animals. These are very small in size and look their shapes like ant, louse, mosquito, house flies. These are animals, but these are very small in size. The fourth one group is animals with 4 legs and a tail. All of you know that every animal has all the body parts have 4 legs. Their legs help them for many different tasks. The first task is that legs help them in running, and these animals have a tail. Look at these animals. All these animals have 4 legs and a tail, but their style and a tail are looking different from each other. The fifth one group is insects. Insects are also animals. Insects have 6 legs and 4 wings. You can see here different types of the insects: mosquito, cockroach, grasshopper and butterfly. All these are insects, and insects have 6 legs and they have 4 wings. Wings help them to fly. Sixth group is animals with many legs. Some animals are those which have many legs, but their legs are very tiny and small in size. You can see here centipede and caterpillar. They have a lot of tiny legs. These small tiny legs help these animals to crawl on the ground. You know that these animals have tiny legs, so they can crawl on the ground. The seventh group is animals with no legs. Some animals are those which do not have any type of the legs. For example, you can see here snake, worm, fish. These animals do not have legs. Then how they move? They have other body parts which help them to move. Snake has the scale on their body, worm and fish have the fins. You can see here fish have the fins which help them to move in the water. The eighth group is the group of birds. Birds are also animals. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. You can see here parrot, sparrow, peacock. Observe their legs and their wings. They all are birds. They all have 2 legs and 2 wings, but their legs and wing styles are differ from each other. Their wings help them to fly and their legs help them to hold the things and to running. The ninth group is the animals with hair, fur and scale on their body. All of you know that animals have different types of these structures on their body. Here you can see the dog, lion and bear. These animals have the hair or fur on their body. Some animals have no hair or fur. Instead, they have the scale on their body. For example, snake and fish. If you observe the bodies of these animals, you can see a different structure on their body which are called the scales. These are called the scales. They have scale on their body. These are the different types of the animals which we divide according to their size and shape. Our chapter name is kinds of animals. In the first topic, we read about the different kinds of the animals according to their size and shapes. Now we have our second topic is animals live in different places. You know that the animals are of different size and shapes, so they live in different places. The number one, some animals are those which live in the forest. You can see here lion, elephant, giraffe, deer, tiger and bear. These are the animals which live in the forest. And you know that the animals which live in the forest, they are called the wild animals. Because they are wild, they live in the forest. The second group of animals are those which live in the fields or in the gardens. For example, if you observe these animals, where you can find these animals, mongoose, rat, lizard and squirrel. These animals are those which live in the fields or gardens. Why animals choose different places? They have to choose their living places according to their size, shape and according to the type of the food they need to eat. That's why they select the different places. The third one group is pet or farm animals. You know that what are pet animals and what are farm animals? Pet animals are those which we can keep with us in our home. For example, cat, dog and fish also is a pet animals. The animals which we can keep at our home with us, they are called the pet animals. And the farm animals are those which we keep outside the house at any place. But we keep these animals. For example, hen, duck, goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, camel, horse. We keep these animals, but we do not keep these animals at home. We keep these animals outside the house at any place, in the fields, for example. The fourth one group is animals in or near water. Some animals are those which live in water, or some are those they come here near the water for some time. You can observe in this picture which animals are living in water and which animals are near the water. For example, you can see the fish or turtle. These are the animals that live in water entirely, but some animals are those they come near the water for some time. For example, you can see the frog and the crocodile. They are not completely in water, they come towards the water for some time. The fifth one group is the birds. Birds are animals. Where the birds live? Birds mostly live on the trees. They making nest and use the nest as their home and live on the trees. But some birds are those that also live on the water. They come near the water, in the water for some time. For example, you can see here the duck or swan. They come in the water for swimming. When they want to enjoy, they come in the water. These are the different animals according to their places. The last one topic is how animal babies are produced. You know that all the living things have babies and their style is different. You can observe these animals here. That is a dog, cat, they have the babies. But some animals are those which first lay eggs, then the babies are hatched out from their eggs. In this way they produce their young ones. These are the animals which we divide them according to their living places. Students, our chapter number 4, kinds of animals, has completed. Now there is a homework for you. You have to read the chapter number 4 complete and you have to learn all the activities and exercises. You know that there are different activities within the reading and at the start and also exercise. You have to get these notes on Gadget WhatsApp. The second task for you, you have to draw the pictures of different animals live on land, in water and fly in the sky. That is the homework for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.